I'm showing you the new Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, I love Charlotte Tilbury. I'm showing you the collection set from 2021. It's a limited edition one. If you're new to my channel, my name is LiseMonique and I am so happy you're here. Okay, so here is the Charlotte Tilbury collection set. It is gorgeous. What a beautiful presentation. It's rose gold. It is fabulous. It has a magnetic top. It's very nice, and it has 3 drawers. And in the first one, you're going to get some palettes, and I'm going to show you them. The first one is, it's a palette, and it's the Luxury Line Pillow Talk palette. It's more of a day wear, I would say. It is gorgeous. It's actually quite beautiful. Her, pigmentations for eyeshadows are fabulous. Like, they really are. Very good quality. Her next one she has in here is a palette. It's the Pillow Top Pops. So it's a little more dramatic, you know. Your eyes are gonna pop. It's gorgeous, and it's a little bit more sparkle on them, which I love. And she added in the Pillow Talk. It's a cute little pot color, and it's Eyes to Memorize, which, you know, very cute, very creamy consistency, just gorgeous. I mean, I think that this one would look great, just like, you know, taking your little finger, just running it on your eyelid, maybe bringing it up a little, and then, you know, you're good for the day. This is very nice. It's very soft. It also comes with a palette, and what I like is this is an instant eye palette, and it comes with 4 different types. So what she did was, oops. So what she did was, she has this little card, and it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So she has 4 sets of 3s. And so each one is, you know, you have your prime, you have your enhance, and you have your smoke. Prime, enhance, smoke. I love that. In the top part of it, of course, it was the eyes. And now we're gonna move on. We're gonna move on to the second drawer, and I mean, look at how cute these pulls are. They're just, I'm gonna pull it out for you so it makes it easier. It's gorgeous. The first thing we have is a highlighter. If you have never tried this one, I'm looking so forward to trying it. In the second one, we have a palette. It's called Cheeks to Chic. Cute. But it's quite nice, and I'm gonna show you it. It's beautiful. This Pillow Talk is just like pinky beiges. They're universally flattering. So the first one is, you know, it's more of a matte kind of, you know, putting a little bit of color in your cheeks. And then of course you come in with a little highlight. What I like about the highlight on this palette, when you put on highlight, you know, if the texture is finer in there and the shimmer is finer, it just gives you such a nice natural glow that I appreciate. I think that is perfect. Now we have the eyelashes. It's push-up lashes time. I'm gonna try this. I'm actually really excited to try this. I haven't tried this one. You know, I have a few brands that I like. My eyelashes, they're a little wimpy, so I always need help. And I'm kind of allergic to, you know, when you go to places and they put your eyelashes on for you, I love that. The problem is I'm allergic to that glue. I can wear false eyelashes and the glue doesn't bother me, but for some reason in the salon places, that glue just, yeah, my skin just reacts, so I can't use it. So the last thing on the second tray is an eyeliner. It's such a flattering color. I actually use this quite a bit, and yes, I love it. And it's long wearing. It's also blendable, so I love that as well. I think that's important too. The last box, we have, of course, the iconic lip colors. So she has the lip cheek is phenomenal. Your lips look fuller if you want to. It's just such a natural. It's just a very natural rosy beige. It's beautiful. Her eyeliners are also very long wearing, and I love that. And then of course she has a lip gloss here. Put it on. She has a lip gloss in a fabulous shade of pink. Also in her pillow collection, she has a lip gloss. This is another lip gloss, a full lipstick. Yes, this is just a universally flattering lipstick. Yeah, it's beautiful. And you know, of course, the metal is rose gold, so that's kind of cute too. Then we got another lip gloss. It's a little bit deeper in tone, and the consistency, I would say it's more a little bit on the pinky mauve side. So there's quite a bit in here on this. Like, I'm going to be looking at this very carefully. So she has a lip liner, she has like 3 glosses, and then 2 types of lipsticks. I think that this is well worth it. The price of it for 14 full size, you know, iconic products that Charlotte Tilbury carries. You can't go wrong. I have a $30 off coupon you can use. In all transparency, when I ordered this, it gave me, you could refer a friend, and it gave me $30 to refer, and it gave me a little code and it said share it. So I'm sharing it. So that you can use. I'm gonna link it up. This is limited edition. You do with that code have to spend $150. I believe though that it's not just for this one. I believe it's also for the other one that's a little bit less expensive than this one. You have to spend $150 and you get $30 off, which I think is great. You can have it go towards this or her advent calendar. Either one is great. It's beautiful. So moving on, you know, I use ORIBE all the time, so to me this is a no-brainer. I save money to order this, you know, just for myself. But I'm also ordering this as gifts for other people because I actually love this stuff. I use it all the time. I got introduced to this by my hairstylist. I'll show you. This is just such a nice presentation, and it's by ORIBE. I can put up a link it in the box for you, so it comes beautifully wrapped. And I purchased the one Gold Lust. So for me, I love that. You get the shampoo, they're full size. You get the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair oil. They're beautiful. I use these every day, like I'm using it right now. I think that a set is a great way to save money. You can always give this to a friend as a gift. It's a beautiful gift. So my last video, I did it on my new tote bag, the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the size MM, and I had discussed how I had seen these organizers that you put inside. I actually saw them from a few ladies and I liked them, and the price point is fabulous on them. And I know for a tote bag, it's just a great idea. You know, it keeps things organized and it also holds the shape of the bag better. Enjoying this bag, and I know I will for years and years. So I wanted to get an organizer. It just didn't come in time for the video, but that's okay because I got it today and it's right here. So it's made of felt, and I got the style C, and if you that, it has 1 cup holder in it. So, you know, for when you bring water. And yes, and I got this to match, of course, the interior of my bag. It's in the cherry. And you just, you know, I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm gonna show you, like, it's great. I'm so glad it finally came in. It actually didn't take that long. It's just I didn't have it in time for the video when I was in production. So it's in now and it's perfect, so I can, you know, throw in my 6-key keychain and all my other little stuff I bring. Well, I shouldn't say little because I'm always packing everything so full. So what I did was I contacted the company and I got a 20% off discount code for every use. Super happy, great company. What I'll do is I'll link up the site so you can use that to get on it, and then you can just use my code LiseMoniqueFunk, and yes, you will get 20% off of it. I really think it's pretty fabulous, and yeah, so I just wanted to get on here also to show you and to finish up the last video because I kind of felt a little bit, oh, I didn't do that one great. But yes, that's it for me today, and you know, just thank you for watching my video. If you stuck around to the end, I so appreciate it. I will be putting out another video next week. I'm going to be doing some Amazon hauls. I'm really excited about it, and yeah, so you know, really, like, we're going into the holiday season, so just, you know, I'm hoping you're enjoying it and getting excited. I know my one of my kids, especially the youngest one, is getting super pumped over Christmas, and yes, so it's time to start decorating. So have a lovely, lovely day and a lovely week, and we'll talk to you next week. Thanks, bye.